Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a Subzi recipe called Sukhi Aloo Mutter ki Subzi. So first we'll heat some oil in a deep non-stick pan. Yes, the oil is nice and hot. To this we'll add some cumin seeds and a saffetida. We'll allow the seeds to crackle. To this we'll add our potatoes and green peas, little salt, and we'll saute this on a medium flame for 8 minutes. I would not suggest you all to use boiled potatoes and boiled green peas. It will cook faster, but the taste of this cooking in oil is just delicious. You can use fresh green peas if they are in season, or you can also use the frozen ones. See, as you can see, the potatoes are turning light brown. We'll wait for 3 more minutes. Yes, it has been 8 minutes, and as you can see, the potatoes and green peas have been sauteed well. To this we'll add the masalas, some chilli powder, cumin seeds powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. We'll mix this well and cook it on a medium flame for 1 minute. To this we'll add little water and little salt. Remember that at first we had added only little salt. We'll mix this gently. We'll cover this with a lid and cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. But make sure you stir it occasionally. So it has been 2 minutes, let's check. Yes, the potatoes and the green peas have been cooked. To this we'll add some dried mango powder, chaat masala and coriander. We'll mix this well and cook it on a medium flame for 1 minute. So our sabzi is ready, let's quickly serve it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.